That's it. We're fighting against high time frame momentum to the downside, and we're also fighting Tether's bullish monthly, 2-week, 3-week momentum.
And that 2 months too.
Yep. And the 2-month buy signal that it just gave. Yeah.
That's horrible.
This is bear market stuff. This is what this is. And
yeah,
the 2-month
1 year plus.
MACD cross. Crazy amount of bullish divergence on this MACD here. Yeah, we're toast. We're literally toast. It doesn't matter what shit coin you're in right now.
Oh, we've been very toasty.
Yeah.
But Tether might get wrecked right now.
Yeah. This ALCH coin is doing extraordinarily well, I gotta say. This thing has been doing really, really well during this downturn. Like it didn't even dump. Like it just been ripping through this dump.
I feel like there's some Solana plays that would probably be good to pick up around these prices.
Yeah, because Solana's at a range low right now, so some of these shit coins might catch some bids. Yeah.
Like Giga Chad was a good one. Fucking there's some good ones, dude.
Drift Protocol might be good to pick up here. This might be good. I don't know. I don't know.
Yep. So get ready for minus 50% on Pulse Chain.
Sounds good.
And then maybe it'll bottom.
See about that. I'm on the finger on Hex here. If this thing takes out this range low and back tests it as resistance, I'll just be out of it. I have no real reason to hold it if it breaks that. But buying it here, I think, is fine as long as it holds. All this thing does is go down. Like it doesn't produce or do anything.
The Pulse Chain is such pain. It's like the generational wealth creation. You only can generate wealth in the next generation.
Yeah.
It's like you sacrifice, bro.
So,
You sacrifice
so this is
your wealth for
this
somebody else.
This is the only other good thing about Wrap Bitcoin. Look at the monthly
Another
stochastics.
person's generation, yeah. Wealth.
Do you see?
Yeah.
Do you see that the monthly stochastics are oversold here? Like that's real. Okay, the 2-week is oversold. The weekly's oversold. I'm just saying that, and this still hasn't broke this structure yet. Can very well happen at any moment. You could argue that it's breaking it right now. Actually,
it could poop the bed any moment.
Yeah, it could.
Oh wow! What level? Under which level would it be pooping?
Basically, this trend line right here. This is the trend line. So it's at it. It's on it.
So it should be a brown trend line then.
Wait, so
Yes.
where does minus 50% put that?
$100, $150,
$150. I could see that.
down to this.
And it
range
probably
low.
would still outperform Pulse Chain down there.
Yeah,
But
it would.
it would just be down a lot.
No. I mean, this thing is still holding up against actual Bitcoin. Do you guys realize that too? Just saying. It's holding the structure against BTC too. And it's probably holding the structure against ETH too. Yeah, it is. Look.
Temporary.
I don't know. It's got bull div against ETH here on the weekly. And we don't have it against Bitcoin right now, but it doesn't really matter. As long, I mean,
look at this. Hex is fucking trying to put in a new low right now.
P-Hex or E-Hex?
P-Hex.
Yeah.
Telling you, dude. He fucking killed it with this new shit. With like, we were doing okay. Like you even said, the chart looked like we could have reversed, and then he fucking killed it with the ripping the Band-Aid off or whatever. Dude, this shit is done, dude. I'm telling you. That you know what he did when he created this prove whatever fucking thing. He automatically creates a ratio trade with everything else on Pulse. You know.
Mm.
So it's just a race to the bottom. Now, when it didn't have to be that way, he could have just said, "No, I like the shit." You know, just diamond hands, fucking, and maybe
No,
would have
it's
pumped up
not.
again.
It's not making a new low yet, dude.
It might not. I mean, sure. Can it recover, dude? I'm not saying it can't. I just don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. And if any pumps will just get sold off.
Man, you were the one saying Bitcoin is going to be flying, this and that, and I was like 90K. Now I
Yeah.
have 97, 98.
Yeah. Yeah. I did say that. Or actually, I don't know if I said that. I thought it would do that. But
I did not.
it can come back. Yeah, no, you called it. You said what was going to happen. But
And I'm going to
just
say
saying.
right now what I think is going to happen is I think what's going to happen is we're going to get a relief rally here and we're going to see Bitcoin trade back up to 100K. I just don't think it's going to go any further than that, unfortunately. It can, like I said, it can if we get weekly and 2-week stochastic RSI cross-ups. That would be the only way that it can do it. And
Yeah.
if NVIDIA doesn't get fucking wrecked tomorrow at the open after they fucking sell that stupid pump that it got on its earnings. You want to know what I aped into today? Circle. I ripped the bottom here. It may not be the bottom, but it's the low for where it opened. And well, flashing buy signals on the 2-day chart, oversold 2-day, daily. It's gonna bounce, dude. Like I'm gonna get a bounce out of this thing. Like even if it's just back to like $75 or maybe not even that, maybe like yeah, whatever. It should, in theory, in theory, if this actually does get bids tomorrow, which I don't know if it's going to. I'm hoping that it does. Yeah, we'll see. This shit looks like it's flatlining on momentum too. Anyways, it may not because like the 3-day has more room down and so does the weekly. The weekly can really go a lot further down. But you would think that this is going to get defended here, at least somewhat. They have been minting lots of USDC. Not that that really means anything for the stock price, but anyways, I took a shot here. Oh, what's the big deal? I just cut the trade if it ends up breaking the low. It's fine. Again, just looks like a low risk area to take a trade. May not pan out. May not pan out. It's a tough market right now, man, across the board.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Everything's fucking shitty. Unless you're in stable coins, then you're the boss right now.
Yep. Actually, Sol is ripping right now.
I think Sol is a very good fucking choice for a rally.
That's a double bottom for Sol.
Yeah.
Yep. Sol looks pretty good.
I mean, that's why I've been kind of looking again at Sol plays again. You know, good ones, not like just total shitters. Like
Look at
I
that,
did buy
man,
Yeti.
right?
I bought
Look
Yeti's
at that.
coin, the fucking boat kid.
Look at this right off the fucking channel, man. If that wow. Yeah. Tether's gonna get ripped, and Sol's gonna pump.
You gotta watch those meme coins, dude.
I'm not.
Those
I'm
big
not
ones
gonna,
that Rod
Yeah.
fucking said was gonna pump that never pumped. They've been going down forever. Probably are gonna pump soon.
SPX 900.
No, that one's way too high. I wouldn't touch that ever. But Giga Chad for sure, dude. That one was. I actually saw that and I was like, okay,
What about
this
base?
looks good. Even
How are
Goat,
these?
dude. That one's good. Oh, base probably you can find. I don't really know too much of shit on base. I've been
What
kind
about
of
some of
pissed
these?
because
What about some of
fucking
these?
Etsy,
Some
you
of these.
can't
Some of these.
compound it.
Wait, some of these virtuals coins should be ripping because Nvidia is ripping. How's
Yeah,
this
the
look?
virtuals one like Santa. Did you see that one? Santa Claus or whatever. Virtual.
No.
I just don't like the fucking virtuals coins.
Yeah, they're very
I don't like.
volatile.
I don't like them. I think they're scams.
A lot
'Cause
of them
I got
are.
burned. I got burned really bad on one, and it was from like somebody who's very credible, and like it was just like, what the
Why
fuck?
not? Why not just trade Aerodrome though? That's the Dex on base.
Or it looked credible. Obviously, they weren't.
Aerodrome's
Because
probably solid.
it's already gone, dude. Somebody got in earlier than me. There's no point.
Okay.
I don't want to trade that coin and expect anything other than sideways.
No, it'll probably rip, dude.
But there's some other ones that probably are good. You know, like fucking what's the other one? Santa. Santa, that's a virtuals coin.
What about
Um,
super? What about Super Anon? What about this one? 1 million market cap. You're trading meme coins. This is basically that.
No, yeah, but with meme coins, dude, like there's like classes of them. There's like the big ones, dude, and then there's like the little fucking shitty ones, you know?
Yeah.
And some of the big ones, dude, like they were too big to touch before, but now they've crashed so fucking hard. It's like, okay, they're looking pretty good now. You know, like fucking, like Goat. Look at Goat. That one I think is good.
I looked
It'll
at it. I looked at it
yeah.
already. I looked at it
Yeah.
already. Yeah. Yeah.
And I wouldn't trade these on leverage. I would just fucking buy them.
Oh no, you're not into leverage trading anymore? Thought leverage
Not
is
on
better
shit.
than.
Not on shit coins.
Are you long Bitcoin right now?
What? What are you talking about? No,
Why not?
I don't know. Maybe.
This is
Maybe
this
I
is
am.
probably-
We want cookie.
Maybe.
This is the time to do it, man. If you want to catch a
Right.
bounce.
Yeah, for sure. No, I think that's probably a solid choice. You want? I mean, are you gonna do it? You can fucking flip your bag real quick. You can also flip it to 0 if it's over, but I don't think it is over.
Well, even if it is over, it doesn't mean you can't get a move like this back up to 100K.
Like yes.
Yeah, the old 10% move. It's a pretty big move.
There's
Probably
nothing
better
wrong
than
with the
shit
10%
coins.
move. Last time I checked.
Probably better than shit coins.
Probably better than
Probably better than getting minus 50% on Pulse right now.
probably better than longing up here
Yeah, that's true.
and praying it doesn't liquidate you.
Yeah, very true.
No, he got liquidated.
Yeah, I'm aware.
That's a punch to the gut, as you call it, right?
I mean, we're pretty much getting liquidated on Pulse Chain right now.
Yeah, you are. You're getting
Liquidated on
Right.
spot.
You're fucking
you are.
cornhole.
So then I guess Sheep shares all the mushrooms with everyone then, because he's the only one happy now.
What are you talking about, bro?
You like those gnarly mushrooms you were
Go get ratioed, dude.
harvesting?
Don't get
How are those
ratioed.
mushrooms?
Go get
How are those
ratioed, bro.
mushrooms, Sheepy?
Holy shit. Don't get ratio, bro.
You can't even answer the question. You're so high.
I don't give a fuck about your questions anymore, dude. You ask the fucking dumbest shit anyway.
Nobody's
Like,
here
dude,
to answer.
like I literally just tune you out every day. I fucking
Every day, I'm not even on here much.
every single day I
don't
hear
know
you.
who you're tuning out.
I hear Nate. That's it. All I hear is Nate.
I'm in your
Yes,
mind.
we do
I'm in your
interact
mind,
every
invaded
once
your
in a
mind.
while. but-
Army of one.
I'm kidding. I love you, Nate. This chat wouldn't be the same without you. But yeah, I gotta
Just
go
gotta
do
chill,
other
bro.
shit.
Just
I
gotta
forgot I
chill.
got other shit to do, and I'm fucking here fucking on this shit with you guys. So
Now,
I
you
gotta
got
go.
nothing else to do better than
I
talk
know.
with
I
us
know.
and Node.
But I gotta go. Later.
Later, dude.
Bang, bang.